This is what we will be using on the Type R. So this is what we're going to be using, and hopefully once it's done, you know the little water trick they show where like you put water in the car and the water like doesn't clump up like that. We'll see what it does afterwards. So I'll talk to you guys later. All right, YouTube, I had to get this video before. As you can see, the weather's terrible. There's no sun, so it doesn't really give you much, but ceramic coat is on. Looks good. I like it. Kind of want to do the water test, but I'm going to give it a couple days to cure. But yeah, you can see just look at the reflection. Shout out to my guy over at Honda, my detailer, Noel. He's the one that hooks me up all the time. So I didn't have a whole lot of time to do it, so my boy did it. He does a better job than me anyways. He's more patient, but look at it. Oh, and by the way, it's official. Corey Guns is back. Look at it. Look at it. Hopefully it's not too windy. Ceramic coat. This is the ceramic coat that I used. So this is the stuff here. This bottle literally was full. Of course, that's how much we used. Not a whole lot. Ceramic coating. So that's the company. Look at that. Let's look at the reflection. Let me sit this right here. Look at that. Look at that. I'll do the water test in a couple days. So this video won't go up yet, so stay posted, guys. Just wanted you guys to see it right after it's done. After ceramic coating. So you can see the water just falls right off. It doesn't beat up, it just falls right off. Look at that. So she's all finished. As you guys can see, that was the first wash since I used the ceramic coating on it. And I think it looks good. I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? Getting a little bit of water run, but don't worry about that. But what do you guys think? How's it look? As you can see, the water kind of just was right on it, and then it just goes away. So yeah, look at that. We getting those angles. We are getting those angles. Look at that. Yes, sir. Alright guys, first wash after we did the ceramic coating, which I'll throw that little video up there of what the product is that I used. But this is the first wash, first time using this GoPro, so it's a little weird with the camera facing me and I can't see you, but it's good. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more videos from your boy. Corey Guns is out. Peace.